Okay, I'm back. This is part 2 of my install of the RF transmitter with the gun all put back together. If you want to see part 1, that's where I actually install the transmitter into the gun. And that's the hopper I put the other transmitter, which you need 2 transmitters. One in here, the gun, and one in the hopper. Okay, so just going to turn on the gun. Alright, and then just the hopper, you just turn on the hopper like this and it'll automatically come on. Like that, and you'll be able to see that when I pull the trigger. Cool, eh? So there you have it. I will put the hopper on the gun in a minute, but it's just easier to see. Cool, eh? Alrighty, so there you have it. Hope this video finds everybody happy. Thanks very much. Have a good day.